because we are having so many issues regarding illegal immigrants. I'm not saying, and I'm not pinpointing and saying that I'm discrediting them. There are good people that are trying hard to start a home here, to work here, but it's just the bad crop that's coming in with them. Drug trafficking. We have a lot of, for an example, my relatives had vehicles that were stolen and they took them down to the border. And so to me, I feel that it's getting so out of control that we need to start thinking about our own constituents here in the United States. We have to start taking care of our people. And one of them is the Native Americans. We keep saying, we're going to help this other country out, the other country out. Why aren't we taking care of our own people?